Hey, what's up guys? Today, I'm super excited to unbox and dive into the Realme GT 7 Pro. This phone has been generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. So, let's not waste any time and get straight into it. Alright, first things first, the box. Sleek and minimalistic, just the way I like it. Inside you've got the phone right on top, and let's set that aside for a second. Underneath there's the usual paperwork, a SIM ejector tool, a 65W Super Dart charger, and a USB-C cable. They've also included a clear case, which is a nice touch. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the Realme GT 7 Pro itself. This device feels premium right out of the box. It's got a glass back with a matte finish that helps with fingerprints. The color we've got here is called Nebula Blue, and it looks stunning. On the front, you're greeted by a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. That's right, 144 Hz. Everything from scrolling to gaming is going to feel buttery smooth on this screen. Under the hood, the Realme GT 7 Pro is packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with up to 12 GB of RAM. This phone is a beast when it comes to performance. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just browsing, it handles everything like a champ. Now let's move on to the camera setup. On the back, you've got a triple camera system with a 108MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. The main sensor is impressive, capturing sharp and vibrant photos in almost any lighting condition. The ultra-wide is great for those landscape shots, and the macro lens is fun for close-ups. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera, and from the few snaps I've taken, it looks promising. Battery life is also solid. The Realme GT 7 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and with that 65W Super Dart charging, you're back to full in no time. I haven't had much time to test it thoroughly yet, but initial impressions are positive. One more thing I have to mention is the software. It's running Realme UI 4.0 on top of Android 14. The interface is clean, smooth, and packed with useful features without being overwhelming. So, what's the bottom line here? The Realme GT 7 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive device. It's got a premium build, top-notch performance, a fantastic display, and a versatile camera setup. I'm looking forward to spending more time with it and sharing a full review soon. That's it for today's unboxing and first impressions video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.